Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Terra Luna Classic. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening, and where we could see the price of Terra Luna Classic going in the immediate short term. If you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end because this is a very, very interesting update that I have for you guys. So if we're looking at the price, we are seeing the price currently still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 9400. We're down about 1.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but if we're looking at the Bitcoin comparative, we're up 2.1% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. But the main focus that I want you guys to see for Terra Luna Classic is look at the rank. We are climbing up in the cryptocurrency market ranking really, really fast, and now that's making me question, are we about to see another massive leg up for the price of Terra Luna Classic like we have seen in the past in that last summer? Things are starting to look like there is something happening, and I will share as to why that's the case. We're seeing, of course, after the Fed's news that came out about the interest rates, that's causing Bitcoin to plummet, below 25k mark, which of course impacted the entire altcoin market and the entire market. But the way Terra Luna Classic has held over the past few hours is literally shocking me, and I cannot be more shocked, if that's a right word to even use at this point. Looking at its market cap, it's literally exactly how it was yesterday. So after even we have seen a massive bloodbath across the board right now, Terra Luna Classic is sitting at the exact market cap, which is causing its overall rank to increase because other altcoins that were higher than it yesterday have fell down quite a bit. Sorry about that. I just dropped my cup on the side, so please bear with me on that. And anyways, if we're looking at its 24-hour trading volume, on the other hand, currently sitting at 93.2 million. So great when we're seeing it from that side. But now we're going to look at the chart, see what is happening and where I could see the price of Terra Luna Classic going in the immediate short term. Just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So before we get into the Terra Luna Classic charts, if you guys have not watched my ladies update or other ones, you guys can see this for yourself. Bitcoin has seen the price drop all the way down to that $24,800 mark. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce back towards the upside, but still $24,000 Bitcoin is still on the table right now, which I've been mentioning on my channel for quite some time. And BTC dominance, on the other hand, is literally skyrocketing at this point, which is causing altcoins to bleed really, really hard, which I mentioned earlier. But Lunc is not showing weakness. It is not showing weakness to us right now, which is, very, very important to note, because you guys can see this for yourself today. Before the dip, we were sitting at that 10187 cents mark. We did drop about 10%. Of course it's going to drop though. It did react to the price of Bitcoin, but we did see a bounce back. We've seen a bounce back of about 4% since then, and we're holding really, really strong around this range, especially above the $500 million market cap. That seems to be a huge level of support for the price of Terra Luna Classic, which is no secret at this point to see. But we're seeing some nice things happening. Like I said, if you picked up some Terra Luna Classic at this wick that we saw just on June 10th. June 10th, the price went to the 7432 cents mark, and that was 4 days back. And since then, look how far the price has come. 25%. Let that sink in. It's up 25% since then. And, we are, I think we were on our way to retest that June 5th high, and I told you guys how important that level is, because I believe if the price of Terra Luna Classic is able to retest that level, let me bring out the pen. You guys can see this for yourself. If it's able to do something like this, maybe reject a little bit and actually bounce back towards the upside, we could see the price of Terra Luna Classic go back to this resistance. I might sound like a broken record at this point, but you guys don't need to underestimate how bullish the overall momentum is looking for Terra Luna Classic. Of course, you can always make a statement right now and say, it deserves some sort of a rally, some sort of a relief rally, because basically since March, it has been in a downwards trajectory, and that is no secret at this point either. So no one can deny that fact, because if we bring out from the month of March, we saw the price drop about 48%. But looks like, we are about to reclaim all those losses we have made if we're able to break out of this June 4th high that we have set for ourselves. If we're able to break out of that zone, we could be back to that spot. And in order for us to retest that is still a move of about 57.29% from our current price levels. And things are starting to look like it's more likely going to happen sooner than a lot of people think. This type of momentum should not be ignored. And, this type of volume we have not seen basically since 2022 November. So you guys get the picture as to what I'm trying to say. And potentially, if we're able to break out of that level of resistance, who knows if more retail interest will flow in. Maybe other exchanges might ramp up on this. Or, speaking about other exchanges, what if these other exchanges are already, buying this behind, people seen before the announcement and come out and say, what, we're supporting this Terra Luna Classic revival, because of course at this point we already are aware that the biggest exchange in crypto, Binance, is supporting Terra Luna Classic's revival, and they're supporting it. They are also supporting USTC, and I've told you guys this before, in a bull market you can't really know what can happen. Of course I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys Terra Luna Classic is going to $1. Looking at its supply, it's insanely high, huge circulation supply. So of course if the burning mechanism gets implemented by a lot of exchanges, massive amounts of Terra Luna Classic is being burned, then there's a potential we could start talking about some massive gains in terms of the price. But if you're thinking the Terra Luna Classic is going above $100 or something, I'm going to be the one and come and tell you that is not the case. It could kill a lot of zeros potentially, like I said, if these scenarios were to play out. And in the bull market, like I said, USTC coin, Binance is supporting that. Let's go look at that. Let me show you guys something. So USTC currently is at 1.1 cents, okay? And, its circulation supply is 9.8 billion. 9.8 billion. And guess what? Binance, CZ Binance has the power. CZ Binance has the power to come and make that worth $1. What if he came out and said, they're not using any other stable coin except USTC? What if he did that? Let that sink in. What if he came out and actually said that? Of course, right now we have the SEC that are, investigating Binance and, of course, suing them and all these other exchanges. But what if they came out and made that statement and, USTC goes up back to $1, which is almost 100x from its current prices? What would that do? What would that do to Terra Luna Classic? So, you guys get the picture as to what I'm saying. Of course, all this is speculation. Only time is going to tell, but I'm really liking what I'm seeing. If Bitcoin is able to make a move or a bounce towards the upside, we could expect Terra Luna Classic to retest June 5th highs. So very interesting things happening. Let me know down below as to what you guys are thinking. I would love to hear from you. And also let me know if you guys want to hear more updates, daily updates on Terra Luna Classic in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.